Looking to boost your Instagram fast? You're in the right place. Imagine seeing your profile light up with new likes and followers, all genuinely interested in your content. I offer super fast organic growth. No bots, no fake followers. This means real engagement from targeted followers who are genuinely interested in what you share. Your Instagram will thrive with authentic interactions, making your profile not just popular, but truly influential. Using competitor analysis and hashtag research, I will help grow your profile with real people. By understanding what works for others in your niche, we can tailor strategies that attract more likes, comments, and profile visits. This approach ensures your content reaches the right audience, maximizing your Instagram's potential. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your account flourish with real engagement. More likes, more comments, and more profile visits are just the beginning. With my approach, you will experience genuine growth that lasts, setting your Instagram apart from the rest. Ready for real results? Let us grow your Instagram the right way. Order now and watch your profile transform with organic growth. Take the first step towards Instagram success today.